going on, everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can capture that screenshot on your brand new Moto G Fast device. So there's actually several ways to do this. I'm going to share with you the first way, the more traditional method of the volume down button and the power button. And what you do is you press them both at exactly the same time. And then you're going to go ahead and press them both, hold for about a second, and just like that, you'll capture the screenshot. You'll see a small image of what was captured, as well as some ways of editing that. So a very simple way of capturing the screenshot. You can tap on the image, and then you're going to see what you've captured, as well as some editing options for that image. You can save or discard the screenshot. I also want to share with you, if you pull down the status bar, you can also see that the image was captured, and you get some ways of editing, and these photos will be saved to your Photos application. Alright, second way of doing this is with the power button. You want to press and hold the power button like you're going to power down your Moto G Fast device. Once you do that, you'll see the screenshot option there, and just like that, you'll capture the screenshot. So a very easy method of just using that power button to capture the screenshot. Alright, so this is the third way of capturing a screenshot. You want to go into your Moto application there. Now, once you go into the Moto application, you want to go ahead and scroll down to Moto Actions, and you're going to see the option for 3-finger screenshot. You want to make sure that is enabled, and then once you have that enabled, all you got to do is press 3 fingers on the display, and just like that, you'll capture the screenshot. A very cool way of capturing the screenshot, and it pretty much works wherever you go. 3 fingers on the display, and just like that, screenshot has been captured. Alright, so next thing I want to share with you is how you can take a scrolling screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and go into this website here, and say you're in the website and you want to capture all the information, everything within the article. There's a way to do that. So whichever way you decide to do the screenshot, go ahead and take the screenshot. So once you've taken the screenshot, you're going to see right there, there's an arrow pointing downwards. And then that is going to take that scrolling screenshot, and you can stop it at any point in time. And as you can see, all the information that has been captured for the scrolling screenshot. Very, very cool. I like this. There are some devices that don't offer a scrolling screenshot, so it's good to see the Moto G Fast does have the option for a scrolling screenshot. That's pretty much it, everybody. That is how you can capture a screenshot in your brand new Moto G Fast device. If you found this video helpful and informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.